US stocks finished higher on Tuesday with the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones Industrial Average closing with modest gains to end at record levels as the post-Fed rate cut rally gained more steam. Consumer confidence suffered its biggest one-month decline in more than 3 years, hitting 98.7 for September. There are also concerns about a slowdown in the labor market while manufacturing data also came in weaker than expected. Asian shares mostly gained for a fifth day as a rally sparked by support measures from Beijing continued, while US stocks set fresh highs, with investors preparing for further rate cuts. The People's Bank of China cut the one-year medium-term lending facility rate to 2% from 2.3%. China's yuan briefly rose to its strongest level in over a year on Wednesday after Beijing unveiled a slate of stimulus measures to shore up the slowing economy yesterday. The Chinese offshore yuan strengthened briefly to 6.9946 per dollar, the strongest since May 2023. Nifty ended on a flat note in a volatile session on 24 September after crossing 26,000 for the first time. At close, Nifty was up 0.05% or 11.8 points at 25,950.9. Nifty formed a spinning top-like pattern on 24 September after remaining in a 125 points range. Nifty could now face resistance from 26,250 while 25,611 to 25,791 band could offer support.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.